Busia Shatawale asa ye na die ni bio.
Oh, okay.
Nyina yenim se shata die bebi obepie bia no. Wa hu sika ni ana chese wa makra. Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I pop into my video, I'm sure so subscribe and I'm no click it. Oh, notification bell no any upload be about sabitinia can wa share my phone so abeche. Don't forget say any comment be our no beja or comment section ho edi amame. Okopiem e Facebook ayo ho. Let's talk GH ubetimi akono akofolo no like page nezo. Edi amame. Ebusia peace concert ebe koso on the 30th of November ewo Kumasi nti ene Shatawale ene Dr. Like ni crew ne de sisi omo to Kumasi gidigidi pa na yenim se Shatawale de opie baabi na se wanyi scam pia na wantu scam mu ana wan show off kakra bia na chese Shata ama ene sisi ade Shatawale ana ene abaya bia ne de Priscilla etimi adro Shata ene hu an mu say yes ade ye feye no de akoma Shatawale eno enam so ama Shata esi oh abaya uko school na abaya esi oye drop out Shata se ene wo bebo abaya nti wo ma ni 20,000 Ghana cedis a te se akoye ahomekasem yie.
Well, Shata ni o.
Fine, tell you. Now what you say?
Ma ba jo nyame ado. Mas sisi na me hu se o ba na di artwork bia brem say o ti say me ba interview na o ye ma me. But the way on me kasa no say o me bisa na say o kusu be no say with VSHS but on to me ko university but also on train kakra. But Baba, what do you okay, ma, me watch up me percent. Me meeting was something about commerce be around, but Bedaka, Yambe home fee. I don't know if you go home fee and on Bomba Patrick. So between I got about apartment now about I'm a pay 20,000 be amount now. We are starting the process like a car about right. We are nowhere for now. We are very brilliant. To me, I did away no. At least me for this I mean supporting me take some responsibility. And remember some place amount directions now about
no crowd who first no person but not fast why meeting close community close. It was here from na was here from na say a crowd betting a cool school in the second na wafa or mouseka 20,000 Ghana cedis. 200 million.
So again, we do our risk the team now has some flexible hands.
When you talk about
Santa não vai dar.
okay.
Quer dizer, mas não vai
Busia Shata na eja wakuku sika ne poli 20k 20,000 Ghana cedis. Ede ama abaya Priscilla ene ne maame se eja onfanko no fanko to any school ni so. Praise shatter say ani do na praise shatter say why ya die fi say nye nipa nyina ana asem kra be yo momobo ama ye obi papa. Ebi mo so say masa fa won hwehwe ani mo na kopi ba bi da eti any comment ni de ebi se wani because I can say any comment bi ani adinche bi awon obeja comment section ho e de mama na bongo ideas. This thing na Shatta Wale akoye papa ya akoye akotwetwe bongo ideas niema bia dane den nyina obeka e de fa Shatta Wale when some time ago be posting posting money on the internet while your mother is homeless and continues to starve is the thing a man could ever do. Not to say no target na at Shatta Wale GH. Now you say Shatta be show ska online and then ye bongo ideas so see so say obeboa wo ma me no so ya internet ni so na riska nkofo it's nkofo to the comment ni bi by another one or same Shatta Wale GH. Your money is nothing if slay queens can spend it but your mother can't. Have a rethink. Na che say osaso say no say usika nyiska so mama ntimi ni na slay queens and itimi didi ya usika enyiska. Another one a bongo idea square aside by and say Shatta Wale will spend on retired slay queen Mali ABD be dashing free money while his mother eats once every 5 days. Hey, there's a someone can say Shatta Wale baby mama ya recent one in Mali. Oh sorry now was spend usika or retired slay queens on Abraham ABD once every 5 days. Hey, bongo ideas. Well, any eja nkofo na akotwetwetwetwe sa comment and then this comments kwa no e be a recent enjoy your cry nkofo akofa aba in relation to say Shatta Wale akoye obi papa. One is an Eddie Man Makes Ventures or same good job from Shatta. These are the things we love to see him do, not insults. And I should say, and you might see who na Shatta no, and yet the atem basa. These are Bakwani Eddie Don Breezy GH or same. Which school is she going with 20k? Make you people give better money and stop saying 20k for scholarship. Next one, no, because I say school ben again 20k na more money. More money skapapa na munja 20k scholarship sem. Another user needing Eddie K frame pound 247 the same. Please, let's be real. Do you know about mental health? If you don't, just come to Ghana. There are some people who will put you through a whole lot of disturbance. And the day you bust out, everyone will call you a bad person. In Ghana, good people suffer a whole lot of emotional disturbance. Papa to the world. God bless you and may He make some of us to afford to help too. To whom much is given, much is expected. Next, what to say? When the mental health issues, Ghana you bet me do pass it through a trauma be our mental health issue be our usabe kano one kasa no don't say yes and your boss Shatta Wale abaso. Why do you say? Because I can say any adventure be any comments be one ubeja comment section ho e mami your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Mr. say obekwa ko follow na wa like page na e mami me de mani edi nsem nachi any update dey before baby am side be ba so mo ye ka wo say ye beto aba ye mo ya sim bi mu ba fi say Ghana e asim bi ma me din e de na ni kesanto makram
Numre die efutu sem kese na mpese me ne oman Ghana ye che abato aye betu yi oman Ghana ya asumdue wo mayi mu enti afi yesa akoso sremo se mo ma asumdue ai bro asumdue so ntena wo mayi mu se ye hwe akosem a eba wo mayi mu a emma ene mofra emmoa ye se ye hwe ye twa ni ko hwe ama ahodo so a Sudan ne man aka ho na akosem ti emofra ne maaye mobo bidwa neja wo ma ne ade enti se ye hwe na se yamfa asumdue ama wo mayi mu a emwa ma o mayi entimi tumpo enu ti enwumre nua mesremo o man Ghana fo mesremo abato ni duru ho a nua akoto di anu abefie boko no abehwe no ma se be ya akosem ya ka emfa asumdue ma o mayi ti asumdue sem kwa no mayi hia ti esremo se mo ma asumdue ntina wo mayi mu no mayi so asumdue bemu a yenya kwa ama Nyankopon so enu nyam atena wo mayi mu mi di nyame jam o man Ghana nkoso ama asumdue ntina wo mayi mu. Bye bye.